Hello, what is your name?
I'm Cecilia de la Cruz,
How old are you?
40 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Christian,
Are you married?
single mom.
Do you have kids?
Yeah,
How many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids.
How old are they?
My daughter is 8 years old and my son is 2 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years?
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
In Saudi Arabia, 1 year.
And then?
In Philippines, 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
1 year and 6 months.
Where's your employer living in?
And one child,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
26.
Okay, how many family member there?
3,
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
One girl is 10 years old and the other one is 15 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I prepare the food, breakfast for the kids, and then I bring in the bus stop, and then when I return home, I cleaning, and then 3 o'clock I go down again to pick up the kids, and then I prepare the food for the dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
Sometimes 7, sometimes 6.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Sometimes 8, sometimes 9.
Okay.
Depends.
Okay, thank you so much.